Cheese pool. Using a little Prego, baby. Roasted garlic and herb, Prego.
Ready to get your bath soon, I think.
Tomorrow. A little oven-ready lasagna from Barillo.
I'm a player, yeah, I'm a player. Eastside player, all around the world with some certified players. Yeah, I'm a player, big time player. I get it how I live, non-stop. I'm a player, yeah, I'm a player. Eastside player, all around the world with some certified players.
I got my bread butter for y'all, butter bread, yeah. Ooh. I need to let it set a little bit. But looky.
Working look utterly ridiculous.
There you guys, folks. Garlic bread done. Lasagna done. It's time to eat. I'm gonna build a plate so you can see it.
Psst. Can I have a little bite? Just a tiny little taste, please. You won't even notice it's gone. I'm invisible. You don't see me. I just want a little nibble, nothing more. Hey, I'm here, just in case you didn't see me.
Cheese pool. Vic's world famous chicken and cooler. Oh shit. That does it all. See ya. Damn.